Are these super-secret test flights with recovered UFOs for real? Do U.S. government scientists really investigate extraterrestrial technology? We wanted to find out the truth, test the claims. Following Bob Lazar's recommendation, we drove out to the Black World on December 2nd, 1992, together with an ABC television camera crew. First, we waited near the black mailbox at the Groom Lake access road. Then, followed by a black unmarked Ford Bronco of the Wackenhuth Special Security, we changed our location to the Campfire Hill, an elevation on the roadside, closer to the base. It was a Wednesday night, and shortly after sunset, at about 6:15 p.m., the first mysterious flying objects appeared.
Okay, you got it.
Fall down, stop blowing. You know, a sickness flare, military sickness flare.
Groupie, I got it on tape.
Yeah. Awesome.
I don't know.
There it is. Heads up, there it is. I don't know, maybe.
Now it's gone.